611 Freeburg. So cut back this tree. It's actually kind of just weird placement to begin with. Replace this entire door. Remove this satellite dish. Probably power wash. That's just been painted over, but it doesn't look functional. Maybe remove that satellite dish as well. We generally don't like a wall of mirrors. Usually we'd like to replace those. So we have extended concrete and a patio cover, which is great. Some mature trees. You can't really see the greenery because of the patio cover, but it's a somewhat private backyard, which you don't find too much of in Las Vegas, so it's kind of nice. I want to cut back these branches. Also, there's no lock on that security door. They've just been using the security bar. Little storage closet. Linen closet. These need to be replaced. They're ugly. They don't really open very well. Need a washer and a dryer. Nice. They replaced that. I could not get these closet doors open. It needs to be fixed. We already have the correct blinds on all of the windows. If they work, that's great. So we have little thingies, sorry, brackets or whatever that probably need to be removed, as well as these, and that means some touch-up paint will be required in here as well. But we have these really beautiful counters. We need a shower rod in here, maybe some touch-up around here. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but looks like some work was done. They maybe replaced the shower or something. You can tell. Yep, that's it. Again, I already have the correct lines throughout the property.